Hello everyone and welcome to another day of high yield USMLE questions. Today we will be talking about psychiatry. So, a 65-year-old male is brought by his wife because of increasing forgetfulness over the past year. His wife says that the patient gets lost when he goes outside the house. Examination shows short-term memory deficit. Which region of the brain is affected? So it's a really short question. Sometimes in the USMLE exams, you will see some short questions. So here, if you look at it, one of the important, this is Alzheimer's scenario. Alzheimer's scenario, you do usually in the first get the short-term memory loss, very classic. So Alzheimer's disease, usually, as you can see, I said, is brought by his wife. So usually Alzheimer's disease patient, they don't know that they have the memory deficits and all of these symptoms are going on. But the ones that are caring for them, they know. So now, if it's Alzheimer's disease, which neurotransmitter is decreased in Alzheimer's? And it will be acetylcholine. So acetylcholine is decreased. So the treatment then is based on increasing acetylcholine. So you give acetylcholinesterase inhibitors. You give, for example, rivastigmine, donepezil. You give, and you also, if they say what will decrease the progression of the disease, like make prevent it from getting worse, that will be memantine. And then there is another question that they can ask is that what can prevent Alzheimer's? So for example, controlling the comorbidities actually prevents Alzheimer's. For example, if someone has hypertension, control the hypertension. If someone has diabetes, control the diabetes. If someone has obesity, control the obesity. So now the question here is asking for which region. So the region that is producing or has high acetylcholine is going to be affected, and that's the nucleus basalis of Maynard. So basal nucleus of Maynard. So that is the answer here. Substantial nigra, wrong answer. And here this is affected in Parkinson's disease. In Parkinson's disease, you get decreased dopamine, and because of decreased dopamine, it seems as if acetylcholine is increased, so the balance is disturbed, and you get the Parkinson features. Then with the locus coeruleus is the wrong answer. Here is where in the brain the norepinephrine, the catecholamine are synthesized. So it's a major area where you synthesize the norepinephrines, the catecholamines. Then with caudate is the wrong answer, and caudate usually atrophic in someone with Huntington disease. So Huntington disease, you have a CAG, trinucleotide repeat disorder. It's autosomal dominant, and usually they present with motor symptoms. So really abnormal movements that they present with. One of the things they can ask, apart from caudate being atrophic, is that what are these patients at risk of? And they're really at risk of depression. Depression is really prevalent here in this population, in Huntington's patients. So hope this video was helpful, and if you like the channel, you can subscribe, and anyone requires tutoring, they can email me here, and if anyone likes the channel, they can support the channel here. Thank you for watching.